Wait, what? Steam Deck OLED. Okay, yeah, okay. This is what I want. November 16th. Wait a minute. Wait, they got a clear. Oh my god. Well, I actually bought this Steam Deck like a while back, and I was holding off on it because I already have one. So this is actually for a friend of mine, and I also wanted to do an unboxing video of this because refurbished Steam Decks they were new at the time, but now everyone has their own video of unboxing and how they went. So the verdict is it's kind of 50-50. Like, it's GameStop, right? And GameStop doesn't have the Valve warranty, so you gotta make sure you gotta do your due diligence, basically. Go through the device and make sure it's all working before the return period ends, which I did not. So you can see I'm setting up the deck here, and turns out it's actually fine. There was not any issue. There was maybe some minor scuffing on the back, but that was all I could see from my initial tests. And the initial boot up was a little bit weird because the right trackpad was like not working, so I had to do a reboot on that. As for the clear shell, the quality of it from Extreme Rate is actually very well, I'd say, after I get to the end of the video and you see the end product. But it feels really smooth, so it's less texture or less grippy feeling than the original shell of the deck from Valve. But there was an issue with the back paddles that I encountered at the end, and I never showed this in the video, but my friend said he was fine with the ones from Extreme Rate, so we just ended up going with the clear back on there instead of also doing back pedal button. Sorry. So yeah, there's a little 3D printed case I made too, just to make sure the joysticks didn't get damaged when you're disassembling the Steam Deck. Hey, me in final post, by the way. All right, it's not a case. All right, Alan, previous Alan. It's just a little stand to help with repairs, so you don't damage the joysticks when you're disassembling the deck. Overall, getting into the Steam Deck isn't that bad because of how modular everything Valve designed it to be. So it's not that difficult for people who are familiar with like disassembling switches or other game consoles. But there's definitely a lot of weird finagling with those trackpads and some of the ribbon cable locations like underneath the motherboard. But we'll hopefully we might disassemble a Steam Deck OLED and maybe swap out the shell there. And if you already haven't picked up on it, this is a first iteration deck, meaning the outside shell for the motherboard was silver instead of black, which is another trademark iteration to tell between a first iteration and the second revision. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this. The rest of this should just be a time lapse and the end product, so stick around and you'll see me also mess up, which I'll try to speed past so you don't look too closely. And yeah, thanks for watching. Now here you can see me realizing that you can't really see that well on video because I touched up all the black spots, but clearly on the screen where the backlight is, there's at a certain angle you can see like kind of where the marker paint kind of seeped into the screen. And basically I had to take it apart and wait for the screen replacement from iFixit to come in before I could finish this up. And then also my friend decided on a 2 terabyte upgrade instead of a 512 because we were gonna do SteamOS and Windows. And with that screen replaced, we finally reached the end of this video. And overall thoughts, would I recommend this shell swap for anyone? No, especially not now with the Steam Deck OLED. It took me like 6 hours, and not to account the additional screen replacement time. But hey, you know, if you got that much time to kill, why not go for it? Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.